So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Huge shout out to Dunkin' Donuts for the sponsor of this video. Thank you for sending me $10,000 for this quick sponsored. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, there's something crazy that happened. Uber just got exposed. It's not good. I wouldn't be surprised if Uber's stock just dropped by 50%. Sell that stock right now. Guys, actually don't sell the stock. Don't listen to my advice. Guys, what's going on right now? Uber is exposed for stealing drivers' personal information. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Again, use the link down below for GetUpside. Get that cash back on your gas fills, baby. Here we go. Uber is sharing user data on drivers or riders who may have come in contact with coronavirus infected individuals to aid contact efforts, tracing efforts. Is the government tracking us? Is the government watching us? No, but Uber is, but your phone is through Uber. Is Uber selling that data to the government? Probably. This story was delivered to Insider Intelligence Digital Health. Do you guys read the entire, 95-page terms of service before you download an app? Probably not. On page 49.5, it says, oh, by the way, we're watching you through the camera and we're tracking your GPS at all times. The ride-hailing giant unveiled an initiative to share user data on drivers or riders who may have come into contact with coronavirus-infected individuals with global public health officials. See, they're sharing the data with global public health officials, aka the government, aka Donald J. Trump. According to Uber, public health officials can visit their portal. What? An enhanced version of the law enforcement response portal launched in 2017 to help process police requests. I'm deleting my app. I'm deleting my app right now. Uber app is gone. Based on the guidance of these public health officials, Uber can then take actions like temporarily suspending a coronavirus infected user's account for 14 days, bruh. Guys, if you get diagnosed with COVID-19, your Uber account's gonna get deactivated, bro. 14 days, bruh. For context, when contacted by a public health official, Uber notifies the user in question and provides them with the contact information of the public health official department so they can gather more info. Imagine just getting a call one day. Hi, yeah, this is the government. We've been tracking you, and yeah, you can't use apps anymore on your phone. Yeah, remember all those phones you downloaded? Tinder, Bumble? Yeah, you can't log in anymore. Nope, sorry, no can do. Yeah, remember you downloaded Roblox, you want to play some games? Call of Duty? Sorry. Can't play games anymore either. Oh yeah, you want to read the news? Sorry, no news for you either. Oh, Uber? Yeah, you want to go on the Uber app? Nope, sorry. We deleted the app off your phone for you. Don't worry, we saved you the time and effort. Credit card information? Yeah, we have that too. Yep. Yeah, we got all that stuff. Yeah, your location right now? Yeah, we know exactly where you are. Yeah, don't worry. And yeah, we're watching you through the camera? Yeah, we are. Scary stuff, bro. A review of U.S. state health departments revealed that these states are not currently tapping into ride-hailing data to track the spread of the coronavirus, which public health officials say could help identify. Are they tracking or are they not? This is a little confusing. But anyways, guys, this is crazy news. Let me know what you guys think about government tracking. Do you think the government should be watching you through this camera right there? Or through this camera? Or through the camera that's probably on your laptop right now or your phone watching this? The government's watching. Have fun. This is a crazy world we live in. Good luck. Good luck out there, guys. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Later, guys. Peace.